Schezwan pepper noodles recipe. Soak 10 red chilies in 2 cups warm water for 30 minutes. They have plumped up. Add to a blender jar. Add 1 tablespoon sugar. Transfer the paste to a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon vinegar. Mix 1.5 tablespoons dark soya sauce. Add 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste. Mix well. Add around 5 to 6 tablespoons of the soaked chili water. Add 2 teaspoons freshly ground pepper. Mix and keep aside. Thinly cut 1 onion. 3 spring onion whites. I've shredded half a cup cabbage. Cut half a red capsicum. Cut half a yellow capsicum. Cut half a green capsicum. Cut 1 carrot as thin as you can. Cut spring onion greens. In a deep pan or kadai, add 2 tablespoons oil. Add onion and spring onion whites. Stir fry. Add the sauce to this slowly. Mix and cook it for 2 minutes. First, add the cut cabbage. Stir fry for 2 minutes. Add the carrots. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons more of the chili water. Add the cut capsicums. Stir fry. Add 5 tablespoons more of the chili water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Soya sauce is salty. Let it cook for 2 minutes. Cover with the lid and keep aside. Boil the noodles per packet instructions. I added the noodles to boiling water for 8 minutes. I opened it and added a teaspoon oil. Strained it and washed it with water. Transfer the noodles and mix well. Add half a teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder. Add some more spring onion greens. I added half a teaspoon more salt. Serve hot, garnish with spring onion greens. Thank you for watching, and as always, like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Did you know that we have similar videos? Do take a look.